Hello everyone. Welcome back to Kids Zone, where we dive into the world of health and wellness products. Today, we are exploring a hearty and convenient breakfast option, Kodiak Cakes Instant Protein Maple and Brown Sugar Oatmeal. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our reviews. Let's jump in. First off, the packaging is super appealing with that classic Kodiak Cakes bear logo. It screams rugged and wholesome. The box also highlights that this oatmeal is packed with protein, which is perfect for a quick, nutritious start to the day. Let's take a closer look at the nutrition. One serving of this oatmeal packs 12 grams of protein, which is fantastic for something that takes just a minute to prepare. You're also getting a decent amount of fiber with 5 grams per serving, and it's only 240 calories, making this oatmeal is as easy as it gets. You just tear open the packet, pour it into a bowl, add a half cup of hot water, and stir. Let it sit for about a minute, and you're ready to go. You can really taste the maple and brown sugar. It's not overly sweet, which I appreciate. The texture is nice and thick, just how I like my oatmeal. And you can tell it's got that extra protein in it. It feels more substantial than your average instant oatmeal. Compared to other instant oatmeals on the market, Kodiak Cakes really stands out with its protein content. Most instant oatmeals are around 2-5 grams of protein per serving, so this is a significant boost. If you're looking to up your protein intake without sacrificing convenience, this is definitely a top contender. Let's break down some pros and cons. On the plus side, we've got high protein content, quick preparation, and a delicious maple and brown sugar flavor. So, overall, I'd say Kodiak Cakes Instant Protein Maple and Brown Sugar Oatmeal is a solid choice if you're looking for a quick, protein-packed breakfast. It's convenient, tasty, and gives you that extra protein boost to kickstart your day. I definitely recommend giving it a try. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you've tried this oatmeal before, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.